It's a problem we've seen before here in the Valley. Large groups of teens swarming a mall or a business in a so-called takeover. And last night it happened at the Meadows Mall, leading to a large police response.
Yeah, News 3's Denise Rosh talked to a local psychiatrist about the link between social media and mob mentality.
This week is spring break for students in the Clark County School District, so a lot of teens have extra time on their hands. And already police have seen issues, problems that often get their start online. Saturday afternoon, Circus Hotel on the Strip.
Come on.
Groups of teens rushing out after false reports of a shooting. Police say a fight inside the property's Adventure Dome, leading to social media posts that only fanned the panic.
When you see those stampedes, those rushes, new people thinking they're in fear for their life, like cascades of events just start happening that you didn't really anticipate.
Dr. Timothy Jeider is a psychiatrist with Nevada Mental Health, who says what happened over the weekend is just one example of group mentality taking over. On Monday, teens live streaming on Instagram encouraged others to join in a takeover at Meadows Mall. Fortunately, police were there to prevent major issues.
If you were to ever be able to hit the pause button and just check in individually, a lot of times people would say, hey, I don't think that's what I would be doing. But there is no pause button for these kids, particularly in the moment, and you're hopped up on adrenaline and all these other neurochemicals. The situations get away from you.
Jeider says many teens worry about fitting in with a certain group while also still finding their own identity. His advice to parents, be mindful of the influence of social media.
Your kid spends 8 hours on a phone every day. Your phone's raising your kid, not you. School's a huge chunk of time. Family should be a huge chunk of time. But if all of those are losing out to social media is raising your kid.
And it's not a new problem. In December 2023, swarms of teens running through department stores at downtown Summerlin. One witness telling us back then she thought it was a shooting.
Told me that somebody posted on social media that there was a group of kids that they were going to be robbing the different stores. So it's kind of scary.
Again, police stepping in quickly to stop any serious damage. Jeider says prevention, though, begins at home.
You don't have to be overly intrusive. Don't spy on your kid. Be upfront about, hey, you got a cell phone. I'm going to use it to know where you are.
Denise Rosh, News 3.